Hi, I'm Jessica, a product specialist here at MetroKitchen.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Shun Premier 2-piece Santoku knife set. This set includes a Shun Premier 7-inch Santoku knife, as well as a 4-inch paring knife. The Shun is a great all-purpose knife for chopping and slicing vegetables and boneless meats. The paring knife is better for more detailed work, like peeling and slicing small fruits and vegetables. Each knife features a beautiful pack of wood with walnut finish, as well as a distinctive hand-hammered blade. These Shun Premier knives are extremely sharp and long-lasting. These knives have a VG10 super steel edge that's clad with 16 layers of stainless steel on each side. For more information, please visit MetroKitchen.com.